Okay. See loud and clear. Okay. Okay. Mute. One second. Okay. 1 second. Good evening. Just give me 1 minute. Let me check if everything works fine here. Let me open my LinkedIn page. 2 minutes, guys. We'll start. I have many things to discuss with you all. Okay. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Welcome back again to Analytics with Anand. So today's session is all about Q&A, any query, any doubt if you have related to any concerns, which I do it on Analytics with Anand, right? So as you can see at the backside, first of all, wishing you everyone a very, very happy Durga Puja, right? Tomorrow is Satish. So on this eve of Durga Puja, there's a bumper offer going on the Master Data Analytics using Cloud Technology and ML course. You get to learn some 10 tools and technology in flat 4K. And the best part of it, this is a job guarantee program. Yes, you heard it right. Every one of you, each one of you, irrespective of your background, irrespective of your career gap, whether you belong from technical, whether you belong from non-technical, whether you have any experience, doesn't matter at all. This course is for all of you. All I'm asking is 6 to 8 months of dedication and hard work. There's many contract which is happening with the company. These days, you see the trend. No one is willing to hire any freshers out there, right? We have seen this. No one, not even my company where I work at Coforge, everywhere 3 to 5 years of experience is required. What is the reason behind? I'll tell you the reason behind. When I was speaking to HR, you guys consider yourself as a fresher. When you come out of fresh of college or from a non-technical background, you are not equipped with that kind of knowledge and skills which you have. When I say upar ka knowledge nahi, in-depth knowledge I need. How do you automate a report? How do you resolve any query? So a lot of hand holding is required for the freshers. That's why these companies are a little bit skeptical when they want to hire this fresher candidate. That's the reason they don't go for it. Right? Even in my project, the project which I work on, no one will help you. Trust me. If you reach out to manager, okay, this is not working. No, that's not how the way it works. This is the reason I brought this course for all of you, right? So that you learn how the IT industry works. सिर्फ SQL query और Power BI रिपोर्ट बनाने से नहीं होता है. बहुत कुछ है बैकएंड में. कैसे रिक्वायरमेंट आते हैं, कुछ इश्यूज आता है. How do you resolve it? How do you approach the client? What is the way? How to write an email? How do you communicate? Right? So if you don't have any communication skills, any knowledge how the IT company works, this is the course for you all. Don't waste your 1 lakh or 2 lakh of rupees. Right? If you don't have clarity, right? Many people I see, they exactly jump to the data says no. Personally, I feel data science is not a field for non-technical people. No, you cannot enter a data science field. First of all, it will take you 1 year to enter. Work on data analyst part. Work on data analyst skills first of all. Acquire all those skills which you can see, which is mentioned in this course. Some 10 tools worth rupees 10 lakh rupees. If you go just outside to train for all tricks, if you go just outside to train from Snowflake, you need to pay 40 to 50,000 for one course. That too not in depth. Right? This is the reason I have brought this course, some 10 tools. And aisa nahi ki 10 tools I'm giving you in 4K, to upar mein. Nahi, in depth. This course will get you ready for the next 5 years. That's my open challenge, which I'm throwing to everyone, those who are watching this live across the world. 5 years you are ahead in your career. 5 साल तक देखना नहीं है. You can be a data analyst, you can be a business analyst, you can be a data engineer. All together. Gone those days when the data analyst is just meant for SQL and Power BI. Nahi. Aajkal cloud technology chahiye. You need Snowflake, you need AWS, you need Azure, you need Google Cloud, you need Excel, you need statistics, you need Python, you need Power BI, you need Tableau, you need Qlik View. All these things will come into picture. You need to master all of this if you want a full-fledged data analyst. Pehla company mein baitho, crack it. That's all, right? So you need to master all these skills, and who will help you? Analytics with Anand will help you. All the ETL tool which you see, Shravan, right? Metallion is there, right? Metallion is there. You have all tricks. You have Informatica. So I'm not leaving a single tool. So you will not get rejected for sure in any interview. That's 100% guaranteed from my side. Right? Not a single question will be asked in interview जो तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, उसकी गारंटी मैं दे रहा हूं. तुम्हें क्या गारंटी देना है? You have to do what I say. Do not practice from any platform at all. Whatever assignment, whatever I'm telling you, whatever I'm teaching you in class, if you follow that, no one will be able to reject you in technical round. That's the open challenge I'm throwing you, right? You will get shortlisted for sure. But when you are good in communication skills, when you are good in technical round will be 2 to 3 round in many companies, right? And I'll help you land a successful career. That's why this is the reason I'm telling you, this is a job guarantee program. You will get a job for sure short, right? There will be a timestamp after your course gets over. I'll help you personally. In no other course in the world, none of the mentor will help you. Sales guy call करेंगे, course बिकेगा, खत्म कहानी उनका. उसके बाद तुम फोन करते रह जाओ, कोई कहीं नहीं सुनेगा. Here you get to know the direct contact with me. कभी भी कॉल करो. You have the WhatsApp group. You have a dedicated team member. Everyone is here to help you, right? So यहाँ सब कुछ है. That to 4K. अगर मैं कॉलेज में रहता, मुझे 4000 में अगर इतना कुछ मिलता तो of course I would have learned. उस टाइम में कुछ नहीं था. I did it from Simply Learn. You know, 2 lakh of rupees I paid. Postgraduate course in data science from Purdue University. 2 lakh of rupees. Right? 2 lakhs of rupees for that. And you guys are getting all these tools and techniques just for free. All I'm asking, you need to master your technical skills. That's the foremost important thing. You need to master all of this. Then only things will fall in place. Getting my point? Then only things will fall in place. You need to master each one of all these skills. Be it Metallion, be it any ETL skills, everything. These days data analyst अब ऐसा नहीं रह गया है कि बस Power BI, SQL, Python सीख के चले जाओ, हो जाएगा. नहीं, you need cloud, you need ETL. Why? The reason I'll tell you. When I was working in Unilever, okay, when I was working in Unilever, there was a pipeline failure जिसके कारण Power BI report में data नहीं आ रहा था. And data engineer was on leave. अब कौन debug करेगा उसको? कौन debug करेगा? Data engineer नहीं है तो. और क्लाइंट को तुरंत डेटा चाहिए. तुमने डैशबोर्ड बनाया है. It's your responsibility only to debug and see which pipeline there is a failure, why the data is not bringing into, what is the data source, where the data is lagging, कहां पे data mismatch हुआ. All these things you need to know. सिर्फ Power BI में data आ गया उससे नहीं होगा. कहां उसका source है, where is the back tracing, you have to do. Lot many things happen at the back end. AWS में कोई crawler चल रहा है कि नहीं, airflow jobs run हो रहा है कि नहीं सही से. All these things you need to understand it properly. Then you will become a full-fledged data analyst. Spend 2 to 4 years in data analyst before delving down into the data science. मैं अभी तक machine learning में नहीं गया हूं, बताओ. I know everything. I've done my master's almost complete. Why? The reason, because I need to understand. Until I give my 3 to 4 years in understanding the data pipeline, everything, how things work. Then comes the forecasting, machine learning algorithm, and everything comes into the picture. So for non-tech, definitely you choose, if you're planning to choose a career, data analyst is the career for you all. Do not go directly into the data science. The reason I'm telling you, you will scratch your head, you'll get irritated. Just to understand one machine learning algorithm, there is so much of maths involved. Until unless you are technically sound, do not go for the data science course. Clear cut, I'm saying. Right? And this batch which I'm talking about, which has started on 15th August, don't worry, you have not missed anything at all. Those who will be joining new, separate class, I will take it for you. So you have not missed anything at all, right? This will be completely new for you all. So don't worry, even if you don't know S of SQL, even if you don't know P of Power BI, do not worry. I'm there to help you all till you land a successful job, right? Till you land a successful job. So all my team members are also there. They have joined, I think. So I'll introduce one by one to them. 1 second, just hold on. Let me see who all are there. Everyone is there, I think. 1 second, let me share my screen and I'll ask them to come one by one. Okay, here they are. If you can, let me share my screen. 1 second. Everyone, can everyone please turn on the camera? I want you to meet my team members. Right, those who are a part, those who will be teaching you this course, and all the support members also one by one. So Satyam is coming line on, right? Then we have the next folks also coming in. Everyone, please, Niharika, Ekta ma'am, Uttam sir, you, and Priya ma'am. I'll get you introduced to all the faculty members who are a part of this group. What exactly you will be learning. So Satyam and Niharika forms a part of the support group. Anytime, any doubt if you have related to anything, majority of times, what the trend I have seen, 99% of the time it will be resolved in the WhatsApp group itself, right? Suppose Azure, if you have any doubt, so Uttam sir is there, right? ALLTRICS, any doubt is there. Ekta ma'am is there, right? Niharika is also there as a support member. So we all form a part of the group, right? Other teachers are also coming down the line and analytics with Anand. So you are equipped with all the tools and technologies which you require to ace your career as a data analyst. So one by one, I'll tell my team members to introduce themselves and what they're gonna cover in their respective course. So anytime if you have doubt, any part related to ALLTRICS, which will be taken care by Ekta Chandak ma'am, and anytime if you have any doubt related to Azure, which will be taken care by your Priya and Uttam sir. So you can feel free to post your query and concern. Yeah, over to you, Uttam, if you can introduce to all the folks, those who are watching you live.
Hey, able to hear me, able to see me?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Cool. Hey, so my name is Uttam and I have 7 years of experience. In that 5 years, I was almost into Azure. So I'm working as a data engineer, Azure data engineer, as well as ML ops engineer. So mostly I deal with Databricks and ADF, SQL, Python. So this is a kind of day-to-day what I'm doing. So feel free if you have any questions on Azure, right? So I will try my best to answer your questions and help you best, right?
Okay. Next, I think Ekta ma'am, can you introduce yourself? Yeah.
So good evening all. So very warm welcome. So to the analytics with Nanand. So basically the course is like designed for the data analytics tools. Like I teach ALLTRICS. So I am an ALLTRICS certified designer, who certified trainer as well. So basically, with respect to the ALLTRICS, you will learn many things like how to create beautiful and meaningful workflows. Okay. So basically, like meaningful workflows in the sense in every industry, we have to play with the data, right? So basically, the data comes a very important part, how to manipulate the data, how to prepare the data in a very insightful manner. That's a very challenging part. So for that, ALLTRICS is designed. So we will basically learn how we can also, certify ourselves in a very short span of time in ALLTRICS and with a good certification. And, there are many job opportunities for the ALLTRICS developer in the market currently. So it's a very good and one of the most important ETL tool, that is extract, transform, and load tool. So basically, it's very important to learn ALLTRICS. So I have like more than 4+ years of work ex in the field of business intelligence. Like I have been training people in the IT industries, and I have currently trained more than 500+ professionals in my network. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks, Ekta ma'am. Yeah. Over to you, Satyam and Niharika. And I'll introduce you to the support members. So these are the faculty members which you have seen. Next, we have Satyam. Yeah.
Good evening to you all. Myself, Satyam. I am working as a Power BI developer for Dr. Reddy's, and I'm since in this field for 2 years. And I'm being always with you for the supports, and mostly I will deal with the Power BI, Power Query, as well as Excel, as well as Power Python and SQL, Snowflake, and AWS also. Anything, any doubt, if you got any regarding to that, please connect me. I will be available with you anytime.
Thank you so
And
much.
it's good to have such lovely team with Anand sir. You will enjoy the how to learn each and every thing or the whole journey. It's not like that you will buy the course and you will sitting and oh what we can do. It's like just you will start playing with the codes and Python, everything, how the Power BI works, how the Tableau works in detail one, and how the AWS. Now the main thing is about the AWS clouds, how the clouds are working. Right now, as sir said, is the starting of the class that now those days gone. If you are a data analyst, that you are dealing with the Power BI and SQL and Python. No, right now I'm working in a Dr. Reddy's, I have to deal with the data engineering part, because in this company, I'm just starting with the scratch. Everything I have to design about their cloud environments, about their SQL servers, how it works with the normalization process, everything A to Z. I have to do the first data engineering part, then it will go to the Power BI for the visualization. Oh, thank you, sir, for giving me this chance. Over to you, sir.
Then we have next team members, Niharika. She's also a very, very nice support member. You can reach out to all of them. And you can reach out to me 24/7. I'm available, right? It's not like you can reach out to me anytime. Yeah, Niharika, over to you.
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, hi guys. Good evening. This side Niharika. I'm working in Wipro as a business analyst. So my major role is like dealing with the client, understanding them, what are the requirements. And also like I'm here to support you all with your queries, whatever it comes. Yeah, sometimes it get delayed because we are also busy with our task. But yes, we are there to resolve your issues. And generally you can come to me to understand how to deal with the stakeholders, how to understand their requirement, how to talk to them, like how to get them in the mail chain, what to write, what not to write. You can get that sort of ideas with me, and how to interact with different team member, what are the flow chart, like how you are dealing with another team to get the resource and get the like all sort of requirements done. So this is all about, and you are going to learn too many things in this like journey. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next, we have last faculty for Azure. We have Priya ma'am. I'll ask her to come live on here. Let's see. Yeah, Priya, over to you. Yeah, here she is.
Priya, you are on mute.
You're on mute.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, now you can hear me, right? Hello?
Yeah, you are audible.
Okay. So, hi all. Myself, Priya Singh, as you all know, I'm working as a Azure data engineer at Accenture, having an experience of almost 3 years. So, yes, so for as the AZ 900, I have already given you training. So, guys, please start preparing for your AZ 900 certification exam. And for DP 203 analytics part, mostly will be taken care by the Uttam sir. And some topics I will take care, and some topic he will take care. So yeah, and yes, some of you have pinged me for the doubts, so I'm really busy these days. Once I'll get a time, I'll ping you guys and connect with you. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks to all of you. Yeah. Okay, guys. So now coming part to the most important part, what is the syllabus? Let me talk about more about the course. This is where the important part will start. I'll share my screen quickly and I'll show it to you. 1 minute. Yes. So this is the syllabus. First, let's talk about the class timing. Okay. So class timing is all about weekends. You will be having Saturday, Sunday, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Okay. 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. you'll be having. Then on weekdays, Tuesday, Thursday, you'll be having 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. Doubt session, I'm keeping it on Thursday, 10 to 11 p.m. If there's a very, very major doubt, if you are lagging, if you are not able to proceed in this case. And weekend, Saturday, Sunday, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m., which you are seeing, that is for the ALLTRICS session. Right. So this is a very extensive and exhaustive course. I need your 2 to 4 hours of dedication on an everyday basis. Non-tech folks, you need to dedicate 4 hours of every day. You cannot miss even a single class. Right. If you miss a single class, you are 4 class behind. So this will like that means you are around 8 hours behind. So do not miss even a single class. Then you will be in the pain areas. You'll start getting pain then. Do not pile up things in this case. My course is very, very exhaustive. It's not for everyone, to be very, very frank. Only if you are hardworking, right, then only proceed with this course, because there's a lot of dedication and effort is required from all of you, right? So this is the part of this course. So first we'll start with the SQL. Green area means these are the part which is being done in the current scenario. Don't panic if you see this green area which is being done. Again, I will cover all of this. So those who are joining you, don't worry. There will be a separate class for all of you. So those who are a bit skeptical that this course started on 15th August 2000, 2 months back. Sir, we have missed this. No, you have not missed it. You will get all the recordings. Don't worry at all. I'll show you what all class I have covered. So here is the content which you can see it. One second, I'll open it. Just give me 1 minute. I'll show you all the content which is there. So here is all the course which I'll talk one by one. So I'm talking first of all about this, which you can see. And if you go, you can log in through mobile app or through your website. Both are accessible. You can watch any time so that you can remain connected with the course. If you're traveling in train, if you're traveling in bus, if you want to follow up the videos, you can watch all this content. So all those topics you can see in the course content. So if I take you to the Snowflake, expert recording live class lectures. So these are the live class lecture which has happened. See the first class which has happened on 19th August. Day by day I have given, right? Day by day I have given. So you have not missed anything at all. Just 10% of the class has been done so far. Anywhere, anytime, if you have a doubt, I am there to help you. I will take a separate session for all this, right? I will take a separate session for all this. Date-wise date I have given, right? So this is about the Snowflake, the first topic. Right, in SQL, all the document, everything you have to do. After going through this course, just refer this documentation and class. That's enough. You don't have to go to any YouTube video, any Googling, nothing. All that work has been done by me. I have done till 10 pages of Google. So don't worry at all. So you don't waste your time. Spend your time on learning things. Spend your time on learning things. Okay, so the first course which is starting on SQL, that is a part of the syllabus which I'll be explaining you on Snowflake, right? This is the one thing. Python has not been started. Python will start later on. Still so much time is there for Python. We have not started. Then we have the Snowflake session. SQL, we are doing it on cloud technology, Snowflake. That's why this course says about master data analytics using cloud technologies and ML. Then we have a fantastic ETL tool, which is called Matillion. Nowhere you will find any video, any content ever. No one in the world has given any content on Matillion. You go and watch. You will not find a single Udemy course. One Udemy course is there, which is completely crap. Nothing is there. The kind of documentation which you get here in Matillion, you cannot see it anywhere at all. I'll show you where are the documents. This is about the Snowflake. Let me take you over to the Matillion part. Come here, come here, come here. Yes, see this. The kind of documentation which you get, not even the Matillion folks has given. All the live class lectures are here, whatever has been taken. You won't find this live class lecture anywhere on Udemy, anywhere on YouTube. Not a single video is there. So you will struggle a lot if your company using later on Matillion. This is a fantastic tool to learn SQL. Anyone who is watching this video live, if you are completely from a non-tech background, BCA, MCA, you don't have coding knowledge, you need to start from Matillion. Matillion will give you a background, how the industry works, what is an ETL tool, and then you should go with the SQL. Everyone, I recommend Matillion is the tool. If you are very pro in data analytics, if you don't know your Matillion, you can buy just the Matillion course also, which is just $4.99. All this course is listed on my website. Every course you can see it here. If you go to the course tab here, you will get to know each one of this course listed here. All this course you can buy. Suppose you have finished your data analyst, you are pro in SQL, Python, you just want an interview purpose, you can go with interview also. Every course here is $4.99 except this master data analyst course. If you are pro in all this data analytics stuff, if you want to learn analytics, which we are starting from 5th of November, you can go with this also. If you want to learn MS Excel, we have a very good faculty. We were starting this from 5th November. You can learn that. This we have not yet started. All this will start in the month of November. So explore all the website, explore all the course, and let me know if you would like to go. 4K price is just there till your Durga Puja, till Dashmi. That is till 24. After this price will be locked. No more. Already 190 students has been enrolled. I'll show you openly. I'm showing you, which no one in the world will show. How many users are there in this course? 521 users, right? 521 users. I'll show you about this course. About Master Data Analytics course, how many students has enrolled? Very open to all of you. It's not like that I have enrolled 200 student or 300 student, like that. Whatever the student has been enrolled, that number you will see flat rightly on the screen, right? That's the beauty of this course. There's so much in-depth knowledge which you get. See this, how many students are enrolled? 202. Can you see how many students has enrolled? Total 202 students have already have enrolled in this course. That's the trust which people comes with you, and you're learning straight from all the faculty, which they have not left any job. They're still working in the industry. Guys, whenever you take any course, you take from me or anywhere in the world, always take course from such person who are working in the industry, or you have 10 years of experience in the industry. Two things. They should be having at least 10 years of experience if they have left the company, or if they are working, take from them only. That's how when you learn to apply all those skills, right? So go ahead and explore all these courses. I was talking about Metallian, then we have Informatica, Informatica also have not been started. We have Excel, right? We have Excel, then we have, let me zoom out a bit. Yeah. We have Alteryx. I was telling you, Alteryx also we have not started. Alteryx we are starting from 5th November. So you get to learn all this. We have Tableau, we have Qlik, we have Azure, which your Priya ma'am is doing. We have AWS, we have Google Cloud, and at the last we have machine learning. The reason I have not mentioned topic here, because machine learning will be covered from data analytics point of view, from your forecasting point of view. Right? This is the last topic which will be covered at the end of this course. That means in March 2024. What is the course duration? Course duration is between 6 to 7 months. By March end, your entire course will get over, because May, June, and July, when I will be doing this big drive with the company which I have tie-up, all of you will be invited. Then it's your call. If you are technically sound, you will be hired. In my hiring process, there won't be any cutoff criteria at all. If you are equipped, doesn't matter if you have a career gap or anything, I'll get you placed, each one of you. That's the guarantee I'm giving you. All I'm asking is your trust, and you have to follow what I say blindly, right? You cannot lag in this course. If you are lagging like 2, 3, 4 class, no, gone. You cannot cope up with the stream. Four classes will happen: Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday. So you need to be very, very active, right? Your schedule should be very, very active. I have seen people from the office, they get exhausted and all. Minimum 2 hours you need to spend on an everyday basis. Then only you can justify this course. Minimum 2 hours you have to spend in this course. Then only you will be able to justify this course. So that was from the syllabus point of view. Right? The kind of knowledge which you will get it anywhere in the world, no one can give you that much of knowledge. You will be ahead in the rest for the next 5 years down the line. Right? All the certification will be done. Metallian certification, Power BI certification, Tableau certification, everything I'll teach you. The kind of certification which you will get, so that you are ahead in the race. No one will reject you if you appear for any interview, subject to the constraint if you are good technically. Right? That is my responsibility. All I'm asking you is to trust the process, work hard, do not worry with the package. Minimum package in my hiring process, I can assure you 100% with guarantee, will be 5 LPA. To any freshers out there, 5 plus LPA minimum. This is the guarantee I'm telling you. 40,000 per month at least you will get. Yeah, definitely 100%. 40,000 per month. If you are completely fresher from non-technical, you have not worked in any industry. If you have experience, salary will of course increase based on your current. So 40K minimum, 5K plus LPA, you will get it. That's the guarantee I'm giving you. So go ahead, enroll with the course. And if you have any doubt, we have a dedicated WhatsApp group, right? You'll find these days, if you are in around Bangalore, if you are visiting any pandal, you will find all the posters out there. Right? You'll find all the posters out there, which is there. Right? So go and check it out. Correct? Go and check it out. You'll find all the posters out there. I'll show you these days, where everywhere I have installed poster. If you go to the Electronic City, you will find my posters there also. Right? See, I'm standing there. Today only I have installed. Everywhere in the Bengaluru, you'll be able to see these kind of posters. Soon in New Delhi also, Hyderabad also, Mumbai also, you will see across in the country. Slowly. Okay, so that you know what I'm giving you in 4K. The kind of knowledge which you'll get in this course, you cannot compare this with anything at all. Right? So go ahead and buy this course if you have not done so. This will really, really boost your profile too. You cannot imagine where your profile will go after this course. You can apply for business analyst. You can apply for data analyst. You can apply for data engineer also. All those three things you can apply. Right? Non-technical background can do it, and easy and streamlined may subject to the constraint because you are competing with a technical folk. So you have to do Shravan 4 times more effort than them. ऐसा नहीं होगा किसी को कोड नहीं समझ में आया तो नहीं पढ़ाऊंगा. नहीं, you cannot leave this course in between. No, don't do that. Not even in your dreams. You cannot leave this course at all. Right? You cannot leave this course at all. Correct? Once you have started this course, you need to start working on this. Right? Once you have started this course, you need to start working on this. So if you're around Electronic City, you can watch me here also. Clear? So everywhere these days you will find me. Everywhere these days you will find me. I'm there. Also, I have installed it. If you are traveling to Palace Ground, you will find me there also. All the majority places I have covered in Bangalore. Right? This is the poster I have placed in RT Nagar. This is the poster I have placed in Hebbal, Manfo Convention Center. You'll find me there on the eve of Durga Puja in Bangalore. So go ahead. Any doubt anywhere if you have. We have a dedicated WhatsApp group also. That also I'll show you clearly. Let me show that also. Master, see this, we have this, right? We have a dedicated WhatsApp group for master data analytics where everyone shares here, right? Any doubt if they have, they will share. Everyone is helpful here. Everyone is helpful here. You have an Alteryx group also, all the Alteryx discussion. You have an Excel group. You have an ETL group also, respective group, so that you share the respective doubt. See this. People keep on asking. Gayatri is asking, I have an Excel file in S3 bucket, column name. How do I help? Someone is respond. Immediately someone will respond in your WhatsApp group. Satyam is there, Niharika is there, support member is there. If none of them respond, I'm there at all. I'm there. In the worst case, you should reach out to me. That won't happen. That is 1% of the chance that you have to reach out to me, that no one has helped you at all. Clear? So that's the kind of support which you get 24/7. I'm available for you all. Right? Only I'm available. They are not available because they have their own work. I'm available. You can call me at 3 o'clock. Anytime. If you want to call me after 11 p.m. Right? 11 p.m. is after next 20 minutes. Call me after 11 p.m. I'm available from 11 p.m. till 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. I sleep very late. Okay. So you can call me anytime. For non-technical, this is the course which you should opt for. Right? Sales वाले बंदे तुम्हें फोन करेंगे कि सर कोर्स है आपका जॉब लग जाएगा blah blah blah. सब crap है. कुछ नहीं होता है. Right? कभी तुम किसी फाउंडर से बात किए हो? Did anyone, have you tried calling any of the founder? Will they pick up your call first of all? That's the case. क्या कोई तुमको नंबर देगा? पहली बात कोई नहीं दे सकता है. No one can give you. No one can give you their number. And here you are getting direct contact with my number. My number is everywhere. Go to the LinkedIn profile. You'll find my number everywhere. Right? Open it. You'll find in the banner. I've given my number. See this. Already my number is there. Email ID is there. Everything is there. I was talking about Uttam ma'am. She is the one who will be handling your Alteryx. He has taken numerous sessions on Alteryx. Right? So you will get the kind of that expert faculty. We have Uttam sir, senior data engineer, ML. What kind of faculty do you need? I'm bringing all the expert from the industry. And what I'm charging you? Just 4K for all of this. Right? Okay, even that too, I'm giving you an EMI facility. Pay 1,300 in 3 months and you are done. Right? 1340 rupees. Everything is there so that each one of you across the country can buy this course. Right? So go through it. You can install the app, buy from the app, buy from the website. Just you have this option, get this course, explore it. Any doubt, anytime, if you have, feel free to reach out to me. You have my number. Directly give me a call. Don't mail me. These days I don't check mail. Directly give me a call. You have my number on LinkedIn. Just call me if you have any concern. We have an Excel. So you don't have to buy this course. Folks, those who are buying this course, this is already there. This is already there. This is already there. And this is already there. You don't have to buy all this. Right? Those who are very good with SQL, Python, and they just want to go with Alteryx, they can buy this. Those who want to master Excel, they can buy this. Those who just want an interview preparation, how to answer an interview, how to sell yourself for a higher package, you can go with this. Those who want to master ETL, Metallion, they can go ahead with this. Clear? So this is what I'm saying. right? So the folk, this is the power of this course. I'm getting a lot many things is coming into the picture, right? What else you need? I'll get you placed in the right company, right? Because once I will interview you, when this one-on-one session will happen, जब हम मिलकर बैठेंगे हम और आप, जब one-on-one session होगा, I will train you until unless you are equipped with that right set and kind of skills, what to speak in interview, what not to speak in interview, how to speak, how to enhance your communication skills, how to sell yourself. Suppose if anyone is earning 8 lakh per annum, and if you want to, if you're appearing for an interview, you should quote at least for 15 lakh or 12 lakh, 15 lakh. What is that art? How to sell yourself, right? That everything will be covered. Minimum package which I'm assuring is your 5 LPA. This to 100% with guarantee I'm telling you. इसके नीचे किसी का नहीं लगेगा. हाँ. Rest you leave it on me. हाँ. But one constraint is there. अब ये नहीं होना चाहिए, दिस स्पेशली फॉर द फीमेल कैंडिडेट आई एम टेलिंग यू, ये नहीं होना चाहिए सर मैं हैदराबाद में हूं, मैं हैदराबाद से नहीं मूव करूंगी, मैं मुंबई में हूं, मैं मुंबई से नहीं निकलूंगी, मैं दिल्ली में हूं, आई वोंट लीव दिल्ली, माय पेरेंट्स आर देयर, ये अगर है तो मैं नहीं हेल्प कर सकता. फिर यू शुड बी ओपन टू वर्क एनीवेयर इन इंडिया, चाहे अब्रॉड हो कहीं हो, राइट? ये एटीट्यूड लेके मत चलो कि दिल्ली में ही रहूंगा, बैंगलोर में ही रहूंगा, हैदराबाद में ही रहूंगा, मुंबई में ही रहूंगा. Until unless बहुत deep concern है, right? Until unless you have that much of concern, ठीक है? But you should be open to work anywhere in India. अगर तुमको 5 लाख मिल रहा है तो क्या दिक्कत है जी? क्या दिक्कत है? कहीं भी जाके काम करो, काम करने से मतलब है just work for 1 year, just work for 1 year. This 5 LPA will become 11 LPA. 1 साल के अंदर, within 1 year. इसका भी ट्रिक बताऊंगा मैं. Within 1 year, जो कहीं नहीं बताएगा, सब कोर्स बेचेंगे अपना, टाटा बाय बाय, खत्म. वही चल रहा है आजकल मार्केट में. सब कोई भीड़ बन चुका है, सब कोई डेटा एनालिस्ट बढ़ाने के चले हुए हैं. आई कीप सीइंग ऑल दिस क्रैप थिंग ऑन लीड कोड एंड एवरीवेयर. नो, मैंने कभी लीड कोड नहीं किया, मैंने कभी हैकर रैंक नहीं किया. फिर ये सब बस एक क्या मैं बोलूं, एक वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड क्रिएट किया जा रहा है तुम लोग के अराउंड कि नहीं प्रैक्टिस करेंगे हम लीड कोड से तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. नहीं, जरूरत है, मैं हूं ना उसके लिए. आई विल टेल यू विच इज द थिंग विच यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस. उतना ही खाओ जितना जरूरत है, राइट? अगर भूख 4 रोटी का लगा हुआ है तो 4 ही रोटी खाएंगे ना भाई, हम 8 क्यों खाएंगे? क्यों खुद को उतना गला घोटना? जितना जरूरत है उतना ही जानो ना. यू शुड नो एंड लर्न इन ए स्मार्ट वे. ऐसा नहीं कि 4 घंटा पढ़ रहे. आई टेल यू हाउ टू इवन स्टडी. इफ यू आर लर्निंग फॉर 4 आवर्स, राइट? इफ यू आर लर्निंग फॉर 4 आवर्स, if you are learning for 4 hours, your 1.5 hours should go with SQL, right? Your 1.5 hour should go with SQL, correct? Your 1.5 hours should go with SQL. Agar 4 hours if you are dedicating every day, or say for example 2 hours you are dedicating, your 1 hour should go with SQL because SQL is heart and soul. Then 30 minutes should go with Matillion ETL tool, and next 30 minutes should go with the cloud. This is called smart work. Cloud पे जाना चाहिए. So parallelly your course will go like this. By the end this course will get over. You all guys will be set. ठीक है? You all guys will be set. So this is how you need to. अब ऐसा नहीं 4 घंटा पढ़ रहे तो SQL ही पढ़े. No. You remember childhood days, physics, chemistry, mathematics. Physics 1 hour, chemistry 1 hour, mathematics 1 hour. Physics 30 minutes, chemistry 1 minute, mathematics 1 hour. Like that you have to study here also. And minimum it will take 6 to 8 months. इतना टाइम लगेगा ही लगेगा. इसके नीचे नहीं बन पाओगे. हाँ. So if you are starting now, those folks who you are starting in October, you will be a full-fledged by April. हाँ, इतना टाइम लगेगा क्योंकि मई, जून एंड जुलाई, May, June, July is the top corner. May, June and July. I will start मेरा जो full-fledged होगा hiring process, that will start anywhere in between June and July. So you have to be ready by then. 1 month I'll time give you complete time कि buckle up fast, and then June, July there will be a very very big hiring. Right? और उसमें मैं सबको नहीं बुलाऊंगा. First I will interview. I'll see whether you are the right candidate fit for it. Because मुझे अपना नाम नहीं खराब करना है. If I am giving any company 50 candidate, blame will be on me if you guys are not able to resolve. ठीक है? So blame will be on me. If I am taking that much of risk and you, so I will be the first person to evaluate you. पहले मैं देखूंगा whether you are technically sound or not. If you are technically sound, then only you will be recommended. So process here is very very different. It's a very extensive, very exhaustive journey and you need to follow strictly. एक दिन का भी क्लास अगर छूटा तो बहुत दिक्कत होने वाला है. बुखार हो, फीवर हो, सर दर्द हो, बदन दर्द हो, पैरासिटामोल खाओ लेकिन पढ़ो. लाइफ में अगर कुछ चाहिए, तुमको डिसाइड करना है कि तुमको BMW ऑडी में घूमना है या टाटा नैनो में घूमना है। डिसाइड, टाटा नैनो में घूमना है तो मत लो ये कोर्स, फिर तो जिंदगी जियो अपना जैसे जी रहे हो। सो इट्स योर कॉल, क्या चाह रहे हो? iPhone 14 Pro Max चाहिए या नॉर्मल फोन चाहिए 10,000 का? डिसाइड इट, राइट? तो पैकेज रहेगा तभी तो ले पाओगे। So think actively. Data analyst is a very, very nice career. Everything automation, everything I'll teach you. Don't worry with chat GPT, Google Bot. आने दो, जो आ रहा है आने दो. I am there now, I'll help you. ठीक है? You will never be kicked out of the company after going through this course. वो भी गारंटी मैं देता हूं, क्योंकि इतना सिखा दूंगा. You will be set for the next 5 साल. जो मैंने 7 साल 8 साल में सिखा है, you will learn in just 6 months. Right? So work accordingly. Do what I say. आप किसी को डाउट है, if anyone has any doubt, feel free to ping in the chat. That's all from my side. Course has started already, so do not think twice. Take it now. You have not missed anything at all. Leave that on me. अगर कोई रिकॉर्डिंग देखते हो नहीं समझ में आ रहा, I will take a separate class ना. I am there ना. So you have to believe on me. मैं जब हूं तो क्या दिक्कत, right? बाकी कोर्स कौन पढ़ाएगा? मैं ही पढ़ाऊंगा ना. Who will teach you SQL? Me. Who will teach you Snowflake? Me. Who will teach you AWS? Me. Who will teach you Matillion? Me. Then why you are worried? So you have to trust blindly when I say, and you have to take this course. कोई दिक्कत हो कहीं हो, I am there to help you. Anytime if you are in Bangalore, you want to meet me, do visit my house. Door is open for you all. कभी भी कोई दिक्कत हो तो, right? बाकी कोई कोर्स में कोई सपोर्ट मिलता है? नहीं मिलता है. कॉल करो. मैंने कितना कोर्स किया, कितना कॉल किया, कभी सपोर्ट नहीं आता है. एक बार कोर्स बिक गया, सब टाटा बाय बाय, सब कहानी खत्म. उसके बाद फिर जय माता दी, बस यही होता है, राइट? दैट इज नॉट व्हाट हैपेंस हियर. Okay, we have a very, very active WhatsApp group where people interact very nicely. We have a wide variety of people from different background. I think I have an Excel sheet for that also, if I can show you, right? We have wide variety of folks here. Enrollment form, I think मेरे पास होगा. Let me see if I have. Yeah, I'll show you. This is the, I don't know whether I have this enrollment form. Enrollment form, let me check. I'll show you how the bar chart and no, this is the fee response. So these are all the folks who have enrolled. This they have not updated. I think they have not updated. This is the past one. Wait, not this form. I was searching some other form, which I'll tell you what are the course which we are a part of. Okay, this is not there. That I'll share with you later on. Okay. Syllabus already I have shown you. Master Data Analytics. So these are all the syllabus: QLeak, AWS, Google Cloud, Power BI, everything in Power BI. In depth. You see, there's Power BI. Right? Informatica, Matillion, Snowflake, Python, SQL, all these things, Alteryx, all these things are there. Right? Sir, SQL queries में doubt आता है sometimes, how to approach any question. मैं बताऊंगा वो सब. Sir, can we already enroll for this course? Rejoin upcoming batch for the revision and more practice purpose. Yeah, why not? Any key insight to study in such a way that non-tech background candidate to do it in easy and streamlining way? I have told you, no, already. Don't worry. Don't practice from hacker rank or lead code. अभी कोई जरूरत नहीं है इन सब का. अपना दिमाग मत खराब करो ये सब practice करके, और दिमाग खराब होगा. Right? और दिमाग खराब होगा. Don't practice that way. I'll give you the real case scenario. I'll show you the real case scenario, how things work in IT industry, how to write the SQL code in IT industry. How do we write it? How do we share the report? जो कि कोई कोर्स में नहीं दिखाएगा. No one will show you the real code which I'll show you. No one will show you the real code which I will show you. Right? यहाँ Snowflake भी open है. Let me show you if my Snowflake is open. I'll show you the code which I have written in my previous company, which every time I keep sharing in all my lecture series. This trial got expired. My bad. See, so anytime if your trial got expired, you need to create a new account. Okay. Clear? So take this course anytime you have a doubt. We are there to help you out. We are there to help you out. Uttam sir is there. Ekta ma'am is there. I am there. Priya ma'am is there. We all are there to help you out. All I am asking is your dedication and effort. That's all I want from all of you. So install Analytics with Anand app. Anytime if you have any issue, feel free to reach out to me. Okay. What motivates to go ahead when you stuck in between study? Vision. Vision. Right. They will come. They will come. I was unemployed for the 2 years. So I studied day and night. I never practiced from hack and rank lead code. मुझे ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ा इन सब चीजों का. No, I focused on basics. I focused on basics. Right? I focused on basics. Whomsoever I take in interview in my current company, सिर्फ basics पूछता हूं मैं कि logic building में आता है कि नहीं. You need to understand the logic building. Non-tech वाले को थोड़ा दिक्कत होगा because you're not technically that much. So you need to work really, really hard. Transition can happen, but it will take time. For all you need is a patience. Patience is the key. जहां patience हिला वो नहीं होगा. Patience एकदम रखना है. Right? You have to be very, very patient in this course. Right? I'll guide you, Giovanni. Don't worry. I'll guide you. I'll guide you. I'll guide you. Okay. So those who are newly enrolled to this course, I'll speak to you personally. Don't worry for that part. Don't worry for that part. All I'm asking is your patience, hard work, and commitment. ठीक है? Hard work. And do not fall sick. बीमार एकदम नहीं पड़ना है इन 6 महीनों में. अगर बीमार पड़े, fever and all is fine, 1 or 2 days. But if you feel sick more than 2 to 3 class, if you miss, it's gonna be very, very difficult. And I cannot give you a certificate if 60% attendance is not there in your live class. मुझे चाहिए 60 to 70% of attendance. Then only I can give you this certificate. I need 60 to 70% of attendance. Then only I can suffice in this course. Clear? Getting my point? So I need 50 to 60% of attendance in this course. Then only things will come into picture. And this is the kind of certificate which you will get. Right? Which you will get. Which you will get. Right? If you go to the recognition, I'm recognized. I have a certificate of recognition from Startup India. It's not like that. I'm running this course for the first time. Right? Udyam also it's get registered. Startup India approved. Right? I have registered this also. Okay, you get a fee receipt also. It's not like that for 4,000 मैंने ले लिया तुम्हें fee receipt नहीं दिया नहीं. Everything is app enabled. Everything is app enabled. Right? So go ahead, enroll in this course. Anytime if you get stuck, feel free to reach out to me. I'm there for you all. That's all from my side. No. People, the folks, those who purchase from outside the country. No, not for you. Don't worry. I can understand. Timing is a constraint, Krishna. Folks who are from Canada or from US or from UK, Kenya, abroad, for you, 60% attendance is not mandatory because your time zone and my time zone is different. For you, it will be an exceptional case. I'm talking only about the folks who are from India. Yeah, as of now. Okay, clear? Right? Yeah, for that reason, don't worry. ये कौन है मजाक मस्ती? Folks from different background will come. Getting my point? So understand this. Save your money. Anytime if you are get stuck anywhere, feel free to reach out in the WhatsApp group first. If no one responds, reach out to Satyam, Niharika. If by some reason they are very, very suppose occupied, if they are not able to answer a query, call me directly. Okay? Call me directly. I'll be there to help you out. Clear? Getting my point? That's all from my side, which I have today in today's class, in today's session. Right? Okay, guys. If you have any concern, feel free to reach out to me. Just install Analytics, the Anand app. Go to the Play Store. Right? You'll have it there. For the iOS user, you need to install Class Plus app. I'll give the instruction. Instruction is also already mentioned. Go to my community channel on my YouTube. There the instruction has been clearly mentioned. How do you install this? Clear? So it will help you out. Okay. Right? Okay. That's all, guys. Good night. Take care. Bye-bye. And wishing you everyone a very, very happy Navratri. See you then soon. Right? Bye, guys.